Hey, what's up, everybody? This is once again GeekyAviseq from here in Dallas, Texas, and today I am bringing you a review of another Bluetooth speaker that was available from Walmart Black Friday deal. So this is the JBL Flip Essential. It was on sale for $49.99, so 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So I already used it for a few days before shooting this part of the video, and I was really impressed. For $50. This speaker really sounds good. So overall, it's supposed to, in terms of specs, it's supposed to give you 10 hours of audio time on a single charge, and this is also IPX7 water and dust resistant. And as you can see, it's very light and portable, so you can easily throw it in the backpack or your sling bag and take it on a hike or camping, or even for a small trip to your friend's place or something like that. So inside the box, you just get this box and then coordinated orange charging cable with the JBL logo. It will go ahead and play this thing. So this is two passive radiators here. You can also link multiple of these, and here's the charging port. It's kind of, so it's still micro USB versus USB-C, but it does have an aux input. No microphone here, so you can't use this as a like as a hands-free. And then these buttons are all raised, so this is for Bluetooth pairing, press and hold. It also has voice prompts, and then this is a multi-link, so you can chain these if you have multiple of these. So this is very similar to the JBL Flip other ones, like the Flip 3, Flip 4, Flip 5. So I have those. Those are more expensive. This is the Essential. I don't know what the basic difference in terms of the specs are, but when it comes to sound, this is a very decent speaker. Let's go ahead and test this. So I'm gonna play something on from my YouTube channel, my own, because I don't want to be flagged because of. To make it more fun, I'm gonna actually compare this to another speaker that I had for few years. This is the Bose Color Link Mini 2 or Mini Color Link 2, whatever that is. And I'm gonna play that one so that you guys can compare. So the only thing I can say, I don't know if you can hear this through the video, but the Bose has a slightly little more bass compared to the JBL. The JBL has better mids and lows, so it's more clearer. But the Bose retails for 129 bucks and this for 50. On Black Friday, this went as low as I think 79 bucks, but still, you know, a $30 difference between the price. So in terms of sound quality, they are so close. I don't think you need to. I mean, the Bose at $30 extra, the quality of the sound is that much. But the Bose has an advantage. The Bose does have a microphone, so you can use that as a hands-free. Let's go ahead and listen to some other ones like voice and compare the two. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is GeekyAviseq once again from here in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a 5G. So, Google Fi or FI just posted a deal for Black Friday where they were taking $200 off. So the phone was available for $299 after a $200 discount. So I decided to order it, and the box just got delivered. It was supposed to get delivered yesterday, but I was not at home, so FedEx left the door tag and I missed it. But finally, I got it today here in Monday. Just took them like 3 or 4 days to get it delivered. So it got shipped from Carrollstown in Illinois and here in Dallas, Texas. So it took about 3 or 4 days. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in there. And there's the box for the Google Pixel 4a. It's still sealed. Let's focus on it. So it's the 4a 5G. It's 5G is sub 6, 6.2 inch screen. It just comes in one color. Just black. And let's go ahead and open this and see. Okay, so I'll leave that aside. The 4a 5G meets, is better suited to my needs. I didn't want it the Google Pixel 5, even though it's more premium because it's a smaller phone. So let's go ahead and boot it up and see. So as you can see, the JBL is actually a pretty good speaker. So if you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that's very easy to carry and smaller form factor that you can probably slap onto your bike or throw it in your backpack and take it along with you for $50, I don't think you can go wrong. So overall, I really like the Flip Essential. And as far as I remember, I had the JBL Flip 3 and Flip 4s and they held up pretty well. So I'm hoping that if you get this speaker, it's gonna at least last you a couple of years or even more before the batteries starts getting worse and worse. So that's all, guys. That's pretty much everything for this quick review of the JBL Flip Essential from Walmart. That you can get as a Black Friday deal for $50. And if you have any questions, comments, do leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. The more subscribers that I have, it will help me and encourage me to make more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.